Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And here we are at our local Crackle Barrel, and we came out to check out their new winter menu.
Yeah, they've got several new items on the menu, so we're going to check out a couple of them and let you know how that new winter menu is.
Hey, join us inside.
Cracker Barrel's New Year, New Faves menu includes crispy tender dippers for $13.49, pot roast $15.49, barrel bites, and a sugar plum tea. With our New Year's New Faves, we do get, of course, the complimentary biscuits and cornbread muffins. So we'll give those a try here in a bit.
Okay, what did you get to drink?
Well, they have a new sugar plum tea, so I'm giving that a try. I normally get sweet tea, but this is a sugar plum tea. It's definitely sweet. Maybe some peach, a little nectarine in there. It's really good, but it is sweet. So if you're not a sweet tea drinker, maybe not your favorite, but I like it.
Hey, have you tried one of those biscuits yet?
No, but I'm getting it loaded up with some butter and some jelly right now, so we'll give it a try here in a minute.
Okay, so you're gonna give that biscuit a try here?
Yeah, I've got some butter and some blackberry jelly. I love the blackberry here. I also like their strawberry, but I've got blackberry in here for now. Always good.
That's right, this is not a new item, right?
No. And it's something that I love, so I'm always asking for it, always trying to make sure that I get the extras to take home, but they're really good.
Okay, I know you like the biscuit and the jelly, but how do you think about a corn muffin?
All right, let's give it a try. It's light and airy. A little bit of crunch on the bottom. The butter's melted. It reminds me of my grandmother and my dad who loved to make corn muffins, so it's got good memories. And they're always
sounds pretty
here.
good.
Yeah, they're always good here.
Now, in your opinion, which one do you like better?
The biscuit, but I'm just a biscuit fan. I don't dislike the corn muffin. I just like the biscuit better. But when you're at Cracker Barrel, you have to give the game a try. So here we go. Let's see how well or how poorly I do. One down, a bunch to go.
How'd you do there?
It says if I leave 2, I'm pretty smart, but if I'd have left 3, I was just plain dumb. So I'm glad I got it down to 2.
Okay, what'd you order there?
All right, got the pot roast. It's got a nice brown gravy, some carrots that look really good. It came with mashed potatoes on one side, and it was, I think, $13.59. I got it with green beans, but you have a choice of any of their sides. Let's give a bite. Pot roast is cooked really well. It's nicely cooked. It's soft, easy to chew. The sauce on it is really good. It's got a deep, rich flavor.
Give one of those carrots a
Give
try.
it a carrot a try. You can tell they've been cooked a while. They kind of melt in your mouth. The gravy really is good. Mashed potatoes are definitely Cracker Barrel mashed potatoes. They always are consistent and good. And we'll go green bean here. Green beans are good. A little salt. Overall, I think this is a good choice. I like it. All right, what'd you get today?
Okay, I got the tenders. It came with fries and coleslaw. Those are the 2 sides that I tried. You got 3 dipping sauces. I chose the buttermilk ranch. They also had a Carolina barbecue and a Nashville hot, but I went with the ranch. I'm not sure if you could have gotten one of each, but I might ask and see if you can do that. I will say you do get a lot of tenders with this, and it was 13 something, but you do get a lot of tenders.
And they're pretty big. I mean, if you look at that, that's a pretty big tender out there.
Tenders. So let's give these tenders a try. It looks like nice and juicy on the inside, nice and crisp on the outside. I'm going to try this without the sauce first. Yeah, it's really good. Nice, and it is nice and juicy on the inside, nice and crisp on the outside. It's got a really good flavor. The buttermilk dip is really good too. We really like ranch, but it's got good flavor.
All right, how about the coleslaw?
Okay, the coleslaw looks like it has a lot of stuff in it.
Doug gets coleslaw as a side for a lot of things, or when we go places
It's a
to
good
eat.
southern coleslaw.
There we
It's
go.
really good.
It looks really creamy, and it looks like it's got...
Yeah. Reminds me a lot of the coleslaw that you can get like at Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Gotcha.
And the fries, they look nice and crisp. They're also nice and crisp on the outside, nice and warm.
They're kind of a steak fry?
On the inside. It's a steak fry, yeah.
All right.
Really good.
So Doug's going to give this pot roast a try here.
Oh, you're right. I really do like that gravy. It's really good. The meat is really tender. And let me give one of these carrots. I like carrots. It melts in your mouth. Really good. Okay, let's give that chicken tender a try here.
I broke one in half, so it's twice as long as this. Good and hot. Doug's right, there's a really good crunch on the outside. The chicken's flavored well. Give a little ranch dip here. I really like chicken tenders. These are really good. Okay, our server was kind enough to bring us the other two sauces, so I'm going to try the Carolina one. Expecting a little tang with the Carolina sauce. There it is. It's got a little bit of vinegar in the back.
Yeah, I tried that one too, and it is a good Carolina sauce. I kind of like it.
It's got almost a honey mustard background to it with a vinegar base also added in there, but it's pretty good. I probably like the ranch better, but I'm not a mustard fan, so I think I can taste the mustard, but it's good, and I would certainly dip again with it.
Hey, let's try that hot one real fast.
All right.
It was too hot. It was too hot for me.
Nashville hot. Here we go.
My mouth is still burning.
Definitely has a little texture to it. I'm not sure what the texture is, but there's also definitely got some heat. My tongue is burning, but if you like Nashville hot, that is Nashville hot. Now, time for some sugar plum tea. Alright, the Nashville hot is definitely Nashville hot. Broke a little bit of a sweat and my tongue is still on fire. But I will say, both of our sons and their wives, our 4 kids, they love stuff with a little bit of heat. So Bryce, Sydney, Corbin, Celeste, you guys got to try it. Y'all would like it. I get the prize for today. Every bite, and it was good to the last bite.
Oh, I gotta finish those green beans though.
They're not my favorite today, but everything else is
I just
delicious.
couldn't make it though. I still had a lot left over for supper.
All right, what's next?
Hey, just when you thought you were stuffed, you couldn't eat another bite, we had ordered the beignets with pecan sauce.
Butter pecan sauce. I can't wait. That sounds so delicious.
We'll give them a try.
All right, we get 5 beignets in the set. They have powdered sugar and cinnamon on them. It's nice and hot. You can feel the heat just coming off of it. Got a butter pecan sauce here. Holy cow. Dip me in cinnamon and sugar and call me a beignet. These things are good.
Okay, so I'm gonna give these a try. I like beignets, so let's give this one a try. You're right, these are delicious.
It's the bite of the day.
It might be the best bite of the day.
It's so good. We were gonna like taste these and take the rest home just because we thought we're so full we can't do all that, but
nice and warm and
yeah, we might have to just eat these now. Crunchy on the outside. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was so excited about how delicious they were, I forgot to mention this sauce. If you would say butter pecan, I'm not sure I would know butter pecan, but it is buttery, it's warm, it's sweet, it's really good, but it almost has a more caramely flavor to me than maybe I'm thinking butter pecan. It's delicious, but I would say like a light caramel.
Our total bill came to $42.44. Thank goodness for a gift card. That was a nice Christmas gift. And we want to give a shout out to our waitress, Elizabeth, who did a wonderful job.
Give you a quick look at their new Valentine merch. So if you see something that you think, oh, that is so adorable, you know where to go find it, and that's at your local Cracker Barrel. And out of all of these cute things, I love this little puzzle piece that says, "You're my missing piece." Cute.
Don't forget, they do have those $5 take-home meals. We didn't get that. We had enough left over for our dinner. But they do have those $5 take-home meals if you want to give those a try.
There you go.
Hey, so I think that was a really good lunch at Crackle Barrel. They are consistent. I think their things are true country cooking type of food.
Yeah, you feel like you're at home when you eat at Cracker Barrel, and we
That's
always do.
Okay, so here's my favorite question. What was your favorite bite of the day?
Bite of the day, the beignets were delicious. The sauce, almost like a warm pancake syrup, but not really. It was very buttery, and it was so delicious. Now, that aside, my pot roast
Yeah, I was gonna say my favorite bite of the day was the pot roast until I tasted the beignets. But as the meal wise, my meal was really good with chicken tenders. The coleslaw was really good, but yours was probably the better one. But the beignets, that was it.
All right, so what we had of the new winter menu, new year, new menu, I thought was really good. We enjoyed it.
Yeah, so I'd recommend coming out here to your local Crackle Barrel and giving it a try.
All right, take care of yourselves, take care of
Oh,
others.
one more thing.
Oh.
What'd you think of the tea again?
Oh, the sugar plum tea, it was really good. It had winter fruits. I'm not sure what the winter fruits were. I'm sure plums, it tasted peachy to me. I don't know, but it was really sweet.
And I'm not a sweet tea drinker, but I even liked it. I thought it was pretty good. I liked it.
I've got a little bit to go home with me, so I'm excited about that.
Hey, thanks again for joining us. We do have dinner tonight.
There we go. Take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.